How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about some of the best fish you can eat for overall health. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So what are some of the best foods, the best fish to eat? Number one is going to be sardines. Sardines are one of the healthiest fish you can eat. The reason being is their high protein intake with their low amount of fat intake, as well as they are high in micronutrients as well. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Sardines can also reduce the risk of getting age-related macular degeneration, AMD. Sardines are an excellent source of calcium. This helps to stop osteoporosis. Now, some of you may not be concerned about osteoporosis right now, but eventually you might need to worry about it later on in your life. Sardines are great for stopping osteoporosis. Salmon is very high in omega-3 fatty acids. It's loaded with protein and healthy fats, as well as calcium. Salmon is also one of my favorite foods because it tastes amazing. It doesn't matter if you get it as a fresh fillet or in a can, it tastes amazing. I generally eat canned salmon just because it's easier to store and it doesn't go to waste as fast as a fillet. Again, salmon is loaded with omega-3, which most people do not get enough of. Tuna is fantastic, and I eat it every other day. It has low fat intake than salmon and sardines. So if you want to eat fish but are concerned about your fat intake for the day, you can eat tuna. Tuna has almost zero fat. It's a very lean protein source. It's also loaded with calcium, just like salmon and sardines. Tuna has been shown to slow down the effects of insulin resistance. Tuna is very high in antioxidants. It's literally a superfood that I highly recommend you guys try. Cod. Very similar to tuna. I also recommend you eat this a few times a week. Very high in protein, low in fat. I will put a link in the description box to some items that you can buy for fish. End the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.